सुरु हुन्छ हल्का
Yes, bro. What's up?
व्हाट्सएप हामी कहाँ जाँदैछौँ भन अहिले
Now we are heading to Abu Dhabi.
Okay.
Unfortunately, we cannot go to Dubai. There are travel restrictions now. We need to have a COVID test done with a negative result within 48 hours before we enter from Dubai to Abu Dhabi.
ओके
That's why we cannot go. We planned, but we failed. So let's roam around Abu Dhabi. Let's have good food. I'm planning to have some delicious meal in Nepali restaurant.
Okay.
And we just roam around, do some shopping.
Okay.
And come back.
सो where are you now
We are at Al Nuf. It was previously known as Al Dabaya. Recently, the name of the place is changed. It's
Okay.
Al Nuf.
ओके
And now exactly we are at E11 and joining the highway.
ओके
And soon we'll be reaching to Abu Dhabi. It's about 100 kilometers from here, but we'll be reaching within, let's say, 25 to 30 minutes. That's it.
Alright.
So we are almost at the highway. It's
Okay.
100 meter up. There is a roundabout,
Okay.
and we'll be joining highway. We are in the branch road now. It
Okay.
is at Coach private road. Now it's changed as Edna Control.
Okay.
So there are no speed limits on this road, but soon we'll be reaching on the highway, and the speed limit will apply, which is 160 km per hour.
Okay, alright.
So we can fly like a bird.
Fly like a bird.
And it's a record. This is the highway which has a maximum speed limit in the world.
Okay.
So this is the highway from Abu Dhabi to Ruiz,
Okay.
western region,
Okay.
and Abu Dhabi to Alain. There are two highways in the world which has the maximum speed limit, which is 160.
Okay.
You can Google it to just confirm. I
Okay.
think this is the fact that I'm telling. I don't know about. I think.
Okay. So how long you are driving in the same road?
This road has been like more than 2 years now.
Okay. This is the same road, right? You are
Same.
driving.
Yeah.
Okay. Since last 2 years.
I can just close my eyes and I can reach to Abu Dhabi. It's so
My lord.
easy here.
Okay.
So we're just about to complete the roundabout now, and what is the noise?
Maybe Ferrari on our back. Sorry, Ferrari car.
Okay, so that is a highway joining to heading to Ruiz.
Okay.
And the speed limit is 160 km per hour. Can you believe it? It's too much, just too much. For the small car like this, we have to fly like an eagle.
Okay.
So now you'll see all the luxury cars even violating speed limit beyond 160.
Okay.
It's awesome. Anyway, the best highway I've ever seen. The best highway
All
I've
over
ever
the
seen.
world.
I've not been in that much of countries, but I think in terms of road, UAE would be the perfect in the world, I believe.
So what about Nepal? Nepal road.
Nepal is the holy crap. It's a shit.
Totally shit, huh?
Sorry to say it, but it's a fucking holy crap. It's a shit.
So basically you don't like Nepal to
No,
drive. I mean,
I don't know how to drive it, even with on the roads of Nepal, but I think I'll manage it this time.
okay.
I'll drive this time.
Okay.
Before I didn't.
So definitely you need to drive in Nepal also, right?
Yeah, that's my country. Unfortunately, what I can do.
Okay.
But it is beautiful. Nature,
So,
beautiful, lot of
What
nature.
what would you like to suggest to Nepali government to make safe like
Baburam
this
Bhattarai
one?
initiated a very good thing.
Okay.
He tried to do something when he was in a position.
Sorry. You're talking about Oli?
No, Oli. That's Oli is a holy crap.
So whom you are talking about?
The Baburam Bhattarai.
Baburam,
When
okay.
he was in his position, he tried to develop the roads.
Sorry, Baburam, Bhaisikuta Jam, same guy? Okay.
The doctor, only one genius guy among the Dr. Saab in the Nepal.
Okay.
So he tried to do something, and he did also. Expanded some roads, tried to construct some good roads, but still the roads in Nepal cannot accommodate all the vehicles that are flying in the city.
Okay. So we are talking about Gulman Racing now.
Yeah, it was the praised, let's say, the admired guy in Nepal. He's not a politician, but
Okay.
he is a government employee, and but he has done his best, and everyone appraises him. He is the most person who deserves to be admired is Kulmangi Singh. Only one, on in all. That's it.
So why the government he thrown it out from the
It's all
Nepal?
about the corruptions, commissions, political. This is all because of Oli. Sorry to say it, fucking Oli.
But basically people like to admire Oli also.
No, I don't think
Comparison?
so. Believe me, in next election, if Oli comes up with let's say he stands up again,
Okay.
even as a leader,
Mhm.
for sure he will lose. For sure.
Mhm. So,
It's not- it is-
what about railways,
It's,
oil and gas project? Only dreams.
you made me laugh.
It's all about joke or?
It's all about joke.
Okay.
It's all joke.
So he should be like comedian, not a politician.
Oli is dreaming in the night.
Okay.
He thinks that everything will come true in the morning,
Mhm.
and he goes to the public and talks about his dream what he had dreamed last day, other night.
Mhm.
He's a crap man. He's an old man. Go to hell now. Do not rule the country. Let some capable people to rule the country.
So why these fucking politicians, they don't want to give chance to young people?
Because they want to swallow the country in their palm, or they want to keep everything in their hand. Commissions. I
Okay.
don't know how much money they need. Bauram Bhattarai already declared that the total corruption in one project done by these three people, Sere Chor, Prachande Chor, and what was the other guy? I don't know the name. 9 Arab.
Mm.
It's a big money, and the Bauram Bhattarai already declared
Mm.
they did corruption of this much of money.
Okay.
What to do, bro?
So-
let's not talk about it. बोलेर बाटो दौडेर जाँदा कोही पनि हुँदैन, त्यही भएर let's talk less and act more.
So where are the money these politicians are making? I mean,
They're depositing
Hiding.
in Swiss Bank.
Swiss Bank?
Swiss Bank.
Canadian
they have
Bank?
money. Maybe they have they are hiding money in the ditch, or maybe they are excavating in underground,
okay.
and
So
they're hiding money.
so for what that much of money they want? These fucking politicians.
It's the money is the only one thing which is the most powerful in the world.
Yeah, I know, but they are about to die. These people, these
They
politicians.
are about to die. Maybe
Yeah.
they are accumulating money for their generations and generations. That's it.
So what about the king?
King.
Okay.
King, I don't like King also.
Okay.
He wanted to dictate us, so that's why he was thrown. Now the Oli is.
No, you're
Oli is almost
basically you are
doing
talking about Gyanendra only, not Virendra, right? Gyanendra, okay.
Virendra was good. I was too young or too kid to understand about those things and when Virendra died, but Gyanendra tried to dictate us and let's say rule very badly. So that we came out on the street and we thrown him.
Yeah.
Now this is the time for Oli, I believe. If he continues doing like this, what he's doing now, he will definitely be thrown exactly as Gyanendra.
Okay. Yeah, it might be.
So let's be hopeful. Good things will happen in our country. Somebody will get chance. That the people like Kulmangi Singh will
Okay.
go in a position like
Kulman, Gagan Thapa.
Gagan Thapa is also
Okay.
he's admired guy. He's trying to do good things
And
when
one-
he is in a position only. But when he is in the power, he cannot do anything.
Absolutely. So what
So
about
when he is
this?
in the opposition, he is doing things that deserves to be admired or appreciated.
So what about the new guy, Padamgiri, young guy from Parbat?
From Parbat.
Yeah.
I heard he is trying to do good things in our district. I have honestly I don't know him too much because during the time of the previous elections where he was elected as a leader of Parbat from I think from Congress.
No.
No?
Communist.
Communist and MLA, right?
Yeah.
MLA.
MLA.
I
you ever know?
I-
He is the youngest minister of Nepal, Padam Giri.
Yes, yes, yes.
Hmm.
He is. He is. I don't know that much about him. That's why
So-
he is the leader from
So
our district.
what do you suggest? The old generation or the young generation for our country, beloved country?
Definitely, the young generation
Young
should
generation.
be. But the old people will, suck the blood of the country. They will not let young people to come in
Okay.
and rule the country. They will do whatever they want.
Hmm.
Sometimes in opposition, sometimes in the power, and they will just suck the blood of country like this. Sometimes you do, sometimes I do,
Hmm.
turn by turn. Surchan Day, Holi, these are all bullshit. Everybody should go in the same ditch.
So basically, you can see like actors, like filmmakers, models. They are not talking about our politicians. Why? Why?
Because let's say the country like Nepal, we have a very small. Our market is very small and limited,
Hmm.
and the celebrities are not widely known as the celebrities from India. Let's say.
Hmm.
So maybe they have been talking, but their voices are drowned. I mean, not reaching to the public because of the less followers or they are, even though they are public figures, but only the limited people are knowing them.
Hmm.
That could have been the reason. I don't know.
So have you ever heard about Kangana Ranaut in India? What she did?
Yeah. I've heard a lot
Recently?
about it. Recently,
Okay.
she is involved in she's been involved in the case of, I think, this
Rajput.
Sushant Rajput the suicide case.
Yes, please.
She was giving some statement that other celebrities didn't like. But India, we cannot compare anything with India. Despite the Indian leaders, the Modi is a cruel fucking shit. But some people are good. We cannot blame celebrity. Celebrities are good.
Yeah, but they should talk about the country, right? What is happening, like
Yeah.
corruption and many other topic. But they are not like about Corona itself.
Let's
I'm
not
talking
talk
about
this.
Nepal. I'm talking about Nepal. Even about Corona also, they are not much like what we want to see.
No, they're not talking as much as they should.
Yeah.
But what we can do? We cannot force them to talk.
At least they can make a video of awareness like Madan Krishna Haribaksa. But this time, I think Haribaksa himself got Corona,
It
right?
depends. Whoever does what, it depends on the mentality of people, the behavior of the people, the basic
But
things.
I
People are
admire-
not following.
Okay.
Regardless, the government makes whatever the rules the government makes, they are not following. Like example, look, we are living in a country where the rules are followed by everybody. Look, the speed cameras here. If
Yeah.
they build the speed cameras like this in Nepal, people will go and break it. So we have to change the behavior of people to change the country. And as a public, each individual have to be, aware of what to do and what not to do. So government, okay, this is the problem of the government. This is the main thing. But by the awareness of the public in the becoming individual as a good citizen,
Okay.
can change a lot of things. This is not also the drawback with the people also. Let's not blame only the government. We have to be aware.